Wonderful. I'm really excited that you mentioned Kobodaishi. So I have a surprise question for you. So I have a statue of a Kobodaishi
Yep.
slash Kukai here. So what does this statue represent?
So I guess it represents a few things depending on, you know, your level of practice. But on, the surface, this is the founder of Shingon Buddhism. And it's important for us because this is the person who practiced this teaching and achieved enlightenment. So he's showing us, he did it, we can do it also. And beyond just practicing for himself, this is a tremendous figure in Japanese history. This is someone who completely changed the course of Japanese history and a Japanese spiritual practice and set up a whole new school, built a temple complex on a mountain that exists to this day. These are tremendous achievements. And Kobodaishi's posture is showing him in practice. So if you have to watch closely, but you'll oftentimes see at a certain point in the meditation the priest sitting the same way. So they're showing himself in meditation, and rather than usually see the Buddha sitting this way, rather than this is a ritual meditation form. So his implements also communicate a lot of things. Holding the goko or the vajra is wisdom. Holding the prayer beads is similar to showing him overcoming all the different obstacles, impediments to enlightenment, all the things that we need to restrain in our life in order to really focus on spiritual practice. So this is a bit unique, I think, amongst Buddhist schools. We often get the question, why do we have a guy sitting up there? Where's the Buddha? But I think it's a good reminder that, Buddhism is unique, that it's not a revealed religion, right? It's not a being that came and gives the teaching to you. It's a realized religion. The Buddha woke up and said, oh, I understand now. So that insight is available to all of us. And, most famously in our school, it was Kobodaishi who woke up to this. So if, in a really, I think, good sense, if he can do it, we can do it. It's not someone, 2,500 years ago in India. It's someone, for people in Japan and here, oh, I can go to that exact place. I can walk on the same stones where he walked. I can do this too. So it's a very, I can read his writings. I can see his calligraphy. I can go and see his prayer beads. Koyasan has these. So that makes it, I think, for human beings, a stronger, closer connection.
Wow. Well said.